Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor School and College Mansera. I am your teacher Muhammad Awais Kashmiri. Dear students, as you know that we in previous lectures in our classrooms we have discussed the concept of tenses and we have already discussed continuous tenses and perfect tenses. But today for revision I am going to discuss these concepts again and then we'll move towards indefinite tenses and perfect continuous tenses. So, dear students, as you know that for tenses, we need to understand the concept of tense and different tenses. Then identification in Urdu, then helping verbs and form of verb. As you know that tense Tense is a form of verb which tells us time of an action or which tells us time. Tense is a form of verb which tells us time. Tense is a form of verb which tells time. Then in total we have 12 tenses: present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. But, dear students, what is the concept of these different tenses, which we have already discussed? So, indefinite means when we do not know the definite time. When we do not know the definite time. Continuous means something in progress. Perfect means something completed recently. And perfect continuous means something has been completed and something in progress. Then identification in Urdu. For example, present indefinite, its identification is ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता हूँ. Past continuous, अलफ, छोटी ये, बड़ी ये. Past indefinite, अलफ, छोटी ये, बड़ी ये. Future indefinite, गा, गी, गे. Similarly, present continuous, रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. Past continuous, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Future continuous, रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट चुका है, लिया है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, लिए हैं. एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट चुका था, लिया था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, लिए थे. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट चुका होगा, लिया होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, लिए होंगे. एंड लास्ट वन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस ता रहा है, ती रही हैं, तैर रहे हैं. इट कैन आल्सो बी रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. बट वी शुड नो द टाइम, that which time is mentioned. And past perfect continuous ता रहा था, ती रही थी, तै रहे थे. Future perfect continuous ता रहा होगा, ती रही होगी, तै रहे होंगे. We have discussed these things in detail. Then helping verb. Present indefinite do does. Past indefinite did. Future indefinite will shall. Present continuous is am are. Past continuous was were. Future continuous will be shall be. Present perfect has have. Past perfect had. Future perfect will have shall have. Present perfect continuous has been have been. Past perfect continuous had been. Future perfect continuous will have been shall have been. And similarly form of verb present indefinite SES form or first form, past indefinite second form, future indefinite first form, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous ing form, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect third form, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous ing form. So in total 6 tenses take ing form: present indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. So these were the basic concepts which we have already discussed in our class. So today we are going to discuss continuous tenses and perfect tenses. We have already discussed in class, but I am going to revise it for you people. Then we will move forward and we will practice them. So first we are going to discuss present continuous tense. We are going to discuss continuous tenses. One thing is common: raha, raha, raha. Whether it is present continuous, past continuous, or future continuous. So, identification in Urdu: raha hai, raha tha, raha hoga. One thing is common: raha. And present tense: raha hai, past tense: raha tha, future tense: raha hoga. So, identification in Urdu for present continuous is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. For past continuous is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. For future continuous we have रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. Then form of verb. One thing is very common that 6 tenses take ing form. All the continuous tenses. Whenever you have raha, you will put ing form in this tense. So ing form, ing form, ing form. Whether it is present continuous, whether it is past continuous or future continuous, they all will take ing form. So रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. Identification in Urdu. Past continuous रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Future continuous रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. And then form of verb: ing form, ing form, ing form. Okay, we have memorized these on our fingertips. So रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. Then form of verb: ing form, ing form, ing form. Got it? Next, helping verb. Is, am, are the helping verbs are present continuous: is, am, are. And in past continuous we use two helping verbs: was, were. And in future continuous we use will be and shall be as helping verbs. Then next question is this: that where do we put these helping verbs? Okay, so these are actually used with a subject. After a subject, first we use subject and then we use helping verb. And in negative sentence we use not after the helping verb. But if we have two helping verbs, for example we have will be and shall be, will be and shall be, so we will put not after the first helping verb. And if we are going to make interrogative sentence, then we use first part of the helping verb, then our subject, and then next part of our helping verb. So helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. With third person singular mean he, she, it, and singular noun, we use is. With I we use am, and with they we you we they we you we use are. So he, she, it singular is, I, am, we, you, they we use are plural noun. Okay, then with third person singular he, she, it, and singular, and I, he, she, it, I, and singular noun we use was, and with we, you, they plural we use were. Okay, He, she, it, singular noun. We use he. With I, we use am. With we, you, they, we use are. With he, she, it, and singular, we use was. With I and I as well. With we, you, they, and plural noun, we use were. And will be and shall be. With I and we use shall be. With I and we use shall be. And with all other nouns or pronouns, we use will be. Okay. So I have made one example. वो लाहौर जा रहा है. He is going to Lahore. With he, I have used is as helping verb and going ing form. Okay, because it is continuous tense to Lahore. He is going to Lahore. वो लाहौर जा रहा है. If I am going to make negative, he is not going to Lahore. He is not going to Lahore. If I wanted to make interrogative, is he going to Lahore? Is he going to Lahore? Okay. Next, past continuous. He was going to Lahore. वो लाहौर जा रहा था. Here वो लाहौर जा रहा है. And in past continuous, वो लाहौर जा रहा था. He was going to Lahore. Negative, he was not going to Lahore. Interrogative, was he going to Lahore? Okay. And if we have plural, they were going to Lahore. They were not going to Lahore. Were they going to Lahore? You were going to Lahore. You were not going to Lahore. Were you going to Lahore? Okay. Then future continues. रहा होगा. वो लाहौर जा रहा होगा. He will be going to Lahore. He will not be going to Lahore. Will he be going to Lahore? Okay. So, if I have I and we, I shall be going to Lahore. We shall be going to Lahore. This was continuous. Then perfect. Perfect means something has been completed recently. If we have present perfect, something has been completed recently in present. Something has been completed recently in past. Something has been completed recently in future. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. चुका है और लिया है. चुकी है, चुके हैं, लिए हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन उर्दू. देन विच फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड? सो थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड इन ऑल द परफेक्ट टेंसेज. इन ऑल द परफेक्ट टेंसेज, वेदर इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. थर्ड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन उर्दू, चुका है हेयर. इन पास्ट परफेक्ट चुका था. इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट चुका होगा. लिया है एंड लिया था. लिया होगा. देन चुकी है, चुकी थी, चुकी होगी. चुके हैं, चुके थे, चुके होंगे. लिए हैं, लिए थे, लिए होंगे. ओके. सो आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन उर्दू, चुका है, चुका था, चुका होगा. Here we use have with चुका or लिया, and here we use था, and here we use होगा. Then form of verb. Third form of verb is used in all the perfect tenses. Third form of verb, third form of verb, third form of verb. Then helping verb. Has and have are used as helping verbs in present perfect tenses. Has. With he, she, it and singular noun we use has. With I, we, you, they and plural we use have. Had is used with all the pronouns and nouns in past perfect tense. Had is used as helping verb. And will have and shall have. With I and we use shall have, and with all other pronouns and nouns we use will have. Okay. So I have made one example. They have learned the lesson. वो सबक याद कर चुके हैं. They have learned the lesson. वो सबक नहीं याद कर चुके हैं. They have not learned the lesson. Third form, learned. Okay. क्या वो सबक याद कर चुके हैं? Have they learned the lesson? Then in past perfect. वो सबक याद कर चुके थे. They had learned the lesson. वो सबक नहीं याद कर चुके थे. They had not learned the lesson. क्या वो सबक याद कर चुके थे? Had they learned the lesson? Then future perfect. वो सबक याद कर चुके होंगे. They will have learned the lesson. वो सबक नहीं याद कर चुके होंगे. They will not have learned the lesson. क्या वो सबक याद कर चुके होंगे? Will they have learned the lesson? Okay. Suppose we take some other example. Here I have used they have learned. वो सबक याद कर चुके होंगे. अगर हम कहते हैं कि वो सबक याद कर चुकी होगी. She has learned the lesson. She has not learned the lesson. Has she learned the lesson? She had learned the lesson. She had not learned the lesson. Had she learned the lesson? She will have learned the lesson. She will not have learned the lesson. Will she have learned the lesson? So today we discussed continuous and perfect. Continuous, something in progress. Okay. And perfect, something has been completed recently. Present continuous, रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. ing form is MR. Past continuous, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. ing form was were. Future continuous, रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. Then ing form and will be and shall be. And in perfect tenses, चुका है, लिया है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, लिए हैं. Third form and has have. Then past perfect, चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, लिया था, लिए थे. Third form and had. चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, लिया होगा, चुके होंगे, लिए होंगे. Third form and will have and shall have. Okay. So today we discussed the basic concepts and then continuous and perfect continuous tenses. I have already given you people an example for each tense. Now I am going to assign a homework to you people which you have to write on assignment pages and have to submit when you come to school. So what's your homework today? Your homework is sentences, different sentences. So first I have written sentences related to present continuous. वो सो रहा है, वो नहीं सो रहा है, क्या वो सो रहा है. You have to translate into English. हम खेल रहे हैं, हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं, क्या हम खेल रहे हैं. So these are present continuous. सोने को कहते हैं sleep, ing फॉर्म यूज़ होगी तो sleeping. खेलने को कहते हैं play, ing फॉर्म यूज़ होगी तो हो जाएगा playing. अली ख़त लिख रहा था, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. अली ख़त लिख रहा था, वो अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे, क्या हम भाग रहे थे. ख़त लिखने को कहते हैं राइटिंग लेटर, लिखने को राइट कहते हैं, ख़त को लेटर कहते हैं, अखबार को न्यूज़पेपर कहते हैं, पढ़ने को रीड कहते हैं, भागने को रन कहते हैं. ओके. देन फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस. तुम सबक याद कर रहे होगे, याद करने को कहते हैं लर्न, LEARN लर्न. इसकी सेकंड फॉर्म होगी लर्नड और थर्ड फॉर्म भी होगी लर्नड और ing फॉर्म लर्निंग. सबक को कहते हैं लेसन. तुम सबक याद कर रहे होगे, मैं सबक नहीं याद कर रहा हूँगा, क्या वो सबक याद कर रहा होगा. ओके. सो यू हैव टू यूज़ प्रोनाउन अकॉर्डिंगली. उसने खाना खा लिया है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. खाने को कहते हैं मील और वर्ब इसके लिए होता है ईट. ठीक है. वो पानी नहीं पी चुका है, पानी वाटर और पीने को कहते हैं ड्रिंक. क्या अली जा चुका है, जाने को कहते हैं गो और थर्ड फॉर्म इसकी होती है गो वेंट गॉन. ईट एट ईटन, ड्रिंक ड्रैंक ड्रंक और गो वेंट गॉन. अहमद ख़त लिख चुका है, मेरी बहन कपड़े नहीं धो चुकी है, कपड़े को कहते हैं क्लॉथ्स, धोने को कहते हैं वॉश, वॉश वॉश्ड वॉश्ड. भाई ने खाना खा लिया था. सो खाने को कहते हैं मील और खाने के लिए वर्ब जो यूज़ होता है उसको हम कहते हैं ईट एट ईटन. हम खाना खा चुके हैं, ईट एट ईटन. ये है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. अली ने सबक याद कर लिया होगा, सबक लेसन, याद करने को लर्न कहते हैं. वो स्कूल जा चुका होगा, जाने को गो कहते हैं और स्कूल स्कूल. ओके. This is your homework. So you have to submit this homework when you come to school. And you have to write this homework on assignment pages. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.